duit YouTube, conas. I'm here at Awesome Walls in Dublin, and just wanted to show you how tall it is. And that last bit was one of the bouldering levels. There's another one downstairs that I was just climbing on, and I did some routes over in that area over there, that little corner. I have a video of that I'll put in. I needed to get out. Needed practice. Try and work off some Christmas dinner. So it was nice just to get out. I have to come back now more in the new year. There's a bouldering competition on here in January that I may or may not sign up for. I'll inquire about it before I leave. But just wanted to get this vlog up before I left, show you the place. There's a couple of awesome walls centres dotted around the UK as well. If any of you are into climbing or want to give it a go, I can highly recommend them. That's about it. I'm wrecked. Right, míle agat, agus Slán fóill.